Every summer, petrolheads gather in Old Blighty. Our allies at the Goodwood Estate in the UK keenly host 2 world-class automotive and motorcycling meets. The beautiful grounds and iconic racecourses filled with vehicles of every size, color, and the ever-present roar of combustion engines. You simply must attend if you have even 1 drop of oil in your blood. This year, the Barber Vintage Motorsports Museum celebrated legendary racers and their machines at both events. The Barber Museum bought the championship 1980 Yamaha OW48 Grand Prix motorcycle piloted by none other than motorcycle racing revolutionary and 3-time champion King Kenny Roberts. The California native donned his iconic speed block leathers, wowing the crowd with his typical throttle-twisting shenanigans. Heavy clouds and the rumble of classic motorbikes soon filled the air. Watch these racers chase fame and glory with their classic Le Mans-style start. It took sharp skills and daring do to maintain the racing line on the damp track. This fellow found himself a touch shy in the traction department and decided to take a quick break in the gravel trap. He was back in action after a short rest. Soon it was time for the signature event of the summer. John Surtees, the only man to take a world championship on 2 and 4 wheels, was remembered as one of the greatest racers in history. What a glorious sight to see his Barber Museum-based 1964 Ferrari 158 being led by none other than Giacomo Agostini, riding Surtees' iconic MV Agusta Grand Prix machine. Visit the Barber Vintage Motorsports Museum in beautiful Birmingham, Alabama, your home for iconic racing machines and heroes.